Hey there, folks. It's May the 20th, early evening, and I decided to come over and do some work on the back 40. When I pulled into the driveway, I saw some interesting tracks on the ground. The excavators have arrived. Well, they actually did more than arrive. They arrived and did work. Now, they did promise that they were going to show up today, and they did. And it's not like, these guys can just pull up in a pickup truck and do their work. They have a lot of logistics, heavy duty logistics, in order to get heavy machinery like that there on a heavy trailer being towed by a heavy piece of equipment and get it here. So not only did they get here, whoops, they actually did some work. Pretty cool. And if you look right there, that is the beast that they're doing all the work with. And by the way, I'm still looking for a 1.5 ton zero emission, so any leads will be appreciated. Now let's take you on a little bit of a higher elevation where you can actually see what's been done. From the other video, you may remember a lot of organics, a lot of look like gray, green soil. Most of that scrubbed off, that and the trees, and it's left like dirt and rocks. It kind of looks like, well, to me anyway, it looks like cake mix with odd shaped and hard looking marshmallows. Let's show you a different look at the property to see what was done in about half a day. It's amazing what they can do with proper heavy equipment in an amount of time. This is still a big one. This one might be actually probably the largest one on the property because there was a big rock over there. It's not as big as I thought it was. And she's struggling with the wind, but she's doing good. Now with the aerial stuff out of the way, let me show you where the grubbings and the rocks are supposed to go. Now, it looks like we've got a lot of grubbings here. And they're really supposed to go down there and the rocks on top of it. And the other spot is over right here. Crawl through this. And the other spot is down over here, another bank where a lot of the grubbing from the rocks can go. Instead of being carried away, because that's going to be more time, more effort, and that sort of thing. So that's it for day one of the excavation. They're going to be back tomorrow, most likely, to keep working on this. But I'm going to go now down to the back 40 and do trimming for, I don't know, half an hour or so before it gets dark. But things are really starting to get exciting, and I'm looking forward to the progress. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Oh, you're still there? Go watch another video. Yeah, I've got lots of them. That was for you, Steve.